consultancy, business development, as well as corporate strategy in the United States as well as emerging markets. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all please welcome on stage Ayo Camara, Vice President of Origination at NAVGAR.
Hello. Hi guys, good morning. Thank you for joining us today. So I think the first thing I want to do is I want to say thank you, a very big thank you to all our partners that are here today, and those that weren't able to make it. So I wanted to thank our partners that have trusted us over the last 12 years in the IFC, the ADB, and the other developmental financial institutions that we represent. I also want to say a big thank you to the Leapfrog